you see the old man pushing round his cart of things, picking up what's left behind, bits of broken yesterdays? In his eyes are wars he fought, though he never knew what for. Yesterday's lies fade with the news that decays. Have you seen the man searching for another's gaze? He just wants to walk beside you, but you turn and look away. In his eyes there's only fear, a fragile love that won't appear, and silently he's begging for some kindness today. So how can you even claim that you're the only one in pain, when you walk across the city with your eyes so tightly closed? If you only took a second to see how others cope, you just might find you're almost whole. Did you see the woman selling what she used to hold, standing by the station with a heart that's long grown cold? Eyes like empty windows, smile frozen from the sorrow. She can't remember how to cry anymore. Did you see the young boy, not yet even 12 years old, wandering through the shadows with a bottle in his hold? Was it glue or was it gin? Where were those who sheltered him? He woke up in the dark with no one home. So how can you even claim that you're the only one in pain? If you'd walk with me through silence, through the slums and past the violence, you just might speak more gently and feel less alone. You just might find you're almost